Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law and family-related matters. If you want to find out more about that, of course, please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about warrants. We got a question from our studio viewing audience. If I have a warrant, should I turn myself in or hire a lawyer? Well, it's a great question because there's certain things that will go on within the scope of legal matters that pertain to your family, like a warrant that might be for child support or some family thing, or even a small criminal thing, something else that might go on in your family. And like a lot of things in life, the question is, do we do it your way or do we do it the right way? It is always possible to do something that's technically not correct but still have a good result. But it's like, we talk about this so many times, you can do something the wrong way and by chance land on your feet anyway. But if you want to make sure that that is not going to happen, if you want to be ensured that you're not going to have a horrible result, it's better to do it the right way. So the warrant is a perfect example. A person can go and say, oh, I have a warrant, I'm going to go to the police department, turn myself in, go down there, they'll say, oh great, we'll process you, blah, 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 they let you out on a personal bond, you're done. Why do you need a lawyer for that? Here's the reason why. In most cases, bringing yourself in on the warrant does not ensure a hasty departure. You know, they've got to process you, they've got to fingerprint you, they've got to take your information, and then they have to arraign you in front of an available magistrate, a judicial functionary whose job it is to tell you what the charges are, do the formal reading of the charges against you, tell you what the penalties are, discuss issues of bond. There's got to be a judge-like figure to do that. If there happens to be one available at the random time you pick to go in on your warrant, fantastic. But what if there isn't? I've heard horror story after horror story, people who think they're going to do this without a lawyer, call up on a Thursday morning, figure out what they'll be Thursday afternoon. Meanwhile, the magistrate is on a golf outing that he left already. He's not going to be back till Tuesday, and guess what? That person sits in jail for 5 days on a small thing that could have been resolved with a $200 penalty. It's a nightmare. So, yes, a person can turn themselves in without a lawyer. Yes, you can proceed without counsel. However, like so many things, the odds of a much better, much smoother handling of the matter is dramatically increased if you get a lawyer there who knows what he's doing. What he will do is appropriately coordinate this with the magistrate, deal with the arresting officer in charge, make it so that everybody's in and out as quickly as possible. That's how it should be done. Should you do it on your own? Probably not, because if you do it on your own, you risk complication that you might not have otherwise foreseen. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.